Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Ho'o. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, a lot of you are asking if you can remember the pandemic year 2020 that was started in March. It became world health issue. Am I right? If you can recall, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as pandemic, right? Okay. My acronyms and or abbreviations is about COVID-19. Yes, you know that word. Now the question is, what's the meaning of COVID-19? That's the question. What is the meaning of COVID-19? Okay, here's my answer. COVID-19 stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. This was declared by World Health Organization. COVID-19 stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. So they shortcut it to COVID/19. That's it. Simple as that. And of course, 7 continents knows about this global health issue. And of course, my acronyms and abbreviations is a paid promotion label. You can promote it globally, not only in the Philippines. And of course, it already stopped. It's already lifted. But that pandemic issue, it was a worse. Imagine it took 2 to 3 years. Just imagine, it's not 2 to 3 months, 2 to 3 years. Can you imagine? Pandemic, not endemic, pandemic. Okay, so this is about health, more on health. My acronyms are abbreviations. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.